In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect PayPal to GoHighLevel. So in order to connect your PayPal account to your GoHighLevel as a payment gateway, what you can do is first head over to their browser and go to their website, which is GoHighLevel.com. Into this part, you can either sign up or you can also log into their application. So if you already have an account, head over and log in. If you do not have one yet, click onto this 14-day free trial and then just follow the on-screen instructions in order to make one. In my case, let me head over and then log in. Now, once you have done that, this will initialize the login option and you should be able to see and hear this. So into this part, just head over right here to your left sidebar and click onto this payments option. Now in here you can see this. So what we can do is we can click onto this integrations just under our actual payments. You can see it right here. And into this part, just wait for this to load all together. And then from in there, just see in here that we have our PayPal. Click onto disconnect. And then in here, just input your live ID as well as your sandbox ID. You can find your PayPal API keys. You can see in here a tutorial based on that. You can right click on it. And in here, you can see this actual document. So basically, you'll need to obtain your actual client ID and secret key from your PayPal developer account. Once you have those together, you can save that right here and save this. And once connected, you can add PayPal as a payment option in your Go High Level forms, surveys, websites, or funnels. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video actually helped you out in connecting your PayPal to your Go High Level. See you soon.